How to fix black screen with cursor in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. Click on the power icon in the bottom right and hold down the left shift key while selecting Restart. Your computer will reboot into the Windows recovery screen. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Select Uninstall Updates. Select Uninstall Latest Quality Update. This will remove the most recent update without affecting your files or apps. Once finished, click Done, then continue to boot back into Windows. To prevent this from happening again, you can simply go to the search icon at bottom left corner and search Settings. Open it. Click on Windows Updates, and from here you can easily pause the updates for a certain time temporarily, and then your issue of black screen cursor in Windows 11 will be fixed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.